Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to download the Trust Wallet on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now, in order to download the Trust Wallet on your iPhone, first you'll be required to open the App Store on your iPhone, and let's do that. And you can see there is the App Store, so let's open it. And after opening your App Store, you can see the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen, just beside the arcade button. You'll be required to tap on that search button like this and search for Trust Wallet on the search bar like this, and tap on search. And you can see guys, there is a Trust Wallet at the top of the screen. You'll be required to tap on the get button available over here, so let's tap on get. And tap on install. Let's do this. And there guys, your Trust Crypto wallet will be downloaded and installed on your iPhone in a moment, so let's wait for it. And there guys, the Trust Wallet has been installed on our iPhone. Let's tap on open, and it's opening guys. And here from here you'll be required to sign up for a new Trust Wallet account, but I'll not be signing up. And this tutorial is to show you how to download the Trust Wallet app on your iPhone. With that being said guys, it has been downloaded and installed on our iPhone. And there guys, this is how you download and install the Trust Wallet on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.